Everybody wants to know the way, the secret words they're meant to say, the perfect plan, the winning move, the hidden path to breaking through. But Ash reminded us once more, there's something deeper at the core. Before the skill, before the art, victory begins within the heart. It starts within, that's where we win. Long before the race begins, a willing heart, a focused mind, the greatest strength you'll ever find. It starts within, believe the call, a positive spirit lifts us all. First the mindset, then the skill. That's how every dream's fulfilled. Technique grows from day to day, practice helps us find the way. But no lesson, no design can transform a closed-off mind. Great communities rise and thrive when shared belief is kept alive. People first, then everything, that's where lasting victories begin. It starts within, that's where we win. Long before the race begins, a willing heart, a focused mind, the greatest strength you'll ever find. It starts within, believe the call, a positive spirit lifts us all. First the mindset, then the skill. That's how every dream's fulfilled. Attitude can open every door, helping ordinary hearts become more. When people gather around one dream, they build a strong and lasting team. The greatest leaders always knew success begins inside of you. It starts within, now hear us sing. Hope gives every dream its wings. Together growing, side by side, with purpose always as our guide. It starts within, the future's bright. One shared vision, one shared light. Hearts committed, strong in will. First the mindset, then the skill.